Hey everyone, Carlo from Vleeming Custom Homes here. We're just at one of our projects today and I want to take a minute to explain what a rain screen is. So here we have a house that's at the stage of partially sided, so a perfect opportunity to show you what's going on. So what you can see is you have your traditional house wrap here that's put on first. You'll see on pretty much every house being built out there. But over top of the house wrap, we put this product. It's a rain screen material. So what it is it's creating a venting space and void between house wrap and siding. It's there so any water that were to get behind siding has a clear path to drain out. Plus you have cross flow air movement to allow the wall to dry or the back of the siding surface to dry. So we'll go over here just so we can see things a little better. So here we start with a base flashing. Then there's a nice venting strip here that's perforated along the bottom. Then that black mesh material would sit on top of that. And then siding would go over top of that. So again, it's creating that space. So you can see it along here pretty good where we have some siding installed. There's a nice gap. You got the product, you've got the siding on the surface. And then along here we have the drainage plane. So we maintain about a 3/4 inch gap that allows the moisture to just come out, allows air to flow up in. Keeps your wall assembly dry.